A simple corkscrew actually unravels the deepest mysteries of human perception and reality itself. This everyday tool forces us to confront the very nature of abstract thought and its powerful implications. The corkscrew's spiraling motion seems straightforward, a practical device for opening bottles. Yet its fundamental design embodies a complex philosophical question about form and function. We constantly interact with countless objects, rarely considering their inherent conceptual frameworks. Most people overlook the profound ideas embedded within the very tools they frequently employ. Understanding the corkscrew's abstract qualities unlocks a completely new way of observing the world around us. This unique perspective shift allows us to see profound universal truths hidden within plain sight. It challenges our ingrained assumptions about what constitutes real knowledge and meaningful experience. Exploring this connection reveals how our minds categorize and interpret physical phenomena constantly. Such seemingly mundane objects often serve as powerful metaphors for deeper cognitive processes. Ultimately, it compels us to question the very fabric of our perceived existence and understanding. Imagine holding a corkscrew. Its primary purpose is to remove a cork through a specific rotational force. This action isn't just physical. It profoundly represents a conceptual solution to a precise problem. The distinctive spiral shape itself is an abstract mathematical concept made manifest in tangible metal. It beautifully demonstrates the ingenious principle of converting linear downward motion into effective rotational power. Consider the pure idea of a spiral independently from any physical object you have ever encountered. This perfect geometric form exists purely in the boundless realm of our minds, a flawless construct. But that's not the strangest part about its profound philosophical implications for human understanding and cognition. The corkscrew design asks us to deeply consider the inherent relationship between an abstract idea and its materialization. Is the idea of a corkscrew more fundamental and essential than the physical object we currently hold? Plato's theory of forms suggests an ideal, perfect corkscrew exists in a separate, conceptual realm of pure essences. Our physical corkscrew is merely an imperfect shadow, a fleeting, earthly copy of that perfect, original form. This distinction forces us to ponder the very nature of reality itself. What truly constitutes real? Wait until you hear what comes next regarding its astonishing impact on fundamental human reasoning and categorization. The corkscrew becomes a tangible gateway to understanding abstract concepts like form, essence, and purpose. It compels us to define what we truly mean by corkscrewness beyond its specific physical attributes. Does a broken corkscrew still possess corkscrewness if it cannot perform its intended function anymore? This thought experiment reveals the intricate mental processes involved in assigning identity to objects. Every time you recognize a new corkscrew, your mind accesses this abstract concept of its perfect form. This recognition happens instinctively, a testament to our profound capacity for abstract categorization. And then something unexpected happened in the history of human thought regarding such seemingly simple tools. And then something unexpected happened in the history of human thought regarding such seemingly simple tools. Is the concept innate, perhaps pre-existing, or is it solely derived from repeated observations over time? Empiricists argue we learn corkscrewness through repeated exposure to various physical corkscrews. Rationalists suggest an inherent understanding of spiral or tool allows us to grasp its concept. This debate highlights the fundamental tension between sensory experience and pure intellectual understanding. The corkscrew, in its unassuming existence, beautifully encapsulates this complex philosophical dilemma perfectly. However, the true power lies in how these abstract thoughts fundamentally shape our perceived reality. It teaches us that even the most ordinary objects carry immense weight in our conceptual frameworks. Ultimately, it demonstrates the dynamic interplay between the physical world and our interpretive minds. And the implications of this profound abstract thinking extend far beyond just opening bottles. This seemingly trivial examination reveals the profound, pervasive power of abstract thinking in daily life. We constantly categorize countless objects and ideas based on these underlying conceptual structures. Abstract thought allows us to generalize from specific instances to universal principles effortlessly. Consider the abstract concept of justice or freedom. They don't exist physically anywhere. Yet these abstract ideas profoundly shape societies, laws, and individual human behavior significantly. Without this capacity, Science, mathematics, and philosophy could not possibly exist as coherent disciplines. The corkscrew symbolizes how human intellect imposes order upon a chaotic, overwhelming sensory world. It highlights our unique ability to perceive intricate patterns and assign meaning to them. This conceptual lens transforms mere objects into profound insights about our very existence and purpose. From designing complex algorithms to creating grand architectural marvels, abstraction is fundamental. It allows us to build mental models of reality, predict outcomes, and innovate continuously. Every invention, every theory, every piece of art originates from an initial abstract concept. Understanding this process deepens our appreciation for human creativity and cognitive abilities immensely. Ultimately, this perspective enables us to navigate and understand an incredibly complex, interconnected universe. It empowers us to question assumptions and look for deeper meanings in everything we encounter. The humble corkscrew truly demonstrates how abstract thinking profoundly shapes our entire perceived reality. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible philosophical stories and insights like this one. Share your thoughts in the comments below and hit the like button to support our intellectual journey.